Alright, the trebuchet's all set. Watermelon. 12 gauge shotgun shooter. This is the Texas Skeet shoot. On your way. Basically, he has to shoot the watermelon before it hits him. About 100 yards away or so. Looking for the marker from the first watermelon we launched, so he's right directly the same point of impact. Guess he's looking for the point of impact. Thank you. That's good. He parked the Polaris Ranger out of impact range. I didn't even have to ask him to do that. That was cool. Walking to the point of impact. By the way, this guy just had arthroscopic surgery on his knee about 3 weeks ago. He found it. He's there. We're all set to go. Backing off. It'll be shaky when I first pull it, but I'll try to zoom in. Ready? Here we go. This is the trigger. And that's where it's going to go. I'll try to zoom in the best I can. This is a two-man operation. Here we go. Not bad. Not bad at all.